Experiencing a blinking green light on your Rogers or Xfinity modem while your devices say connected but no internet? This common issue, as of November 2025, typically means your modem is searching for a DOCSIS signal or facing a downstream problem, preventing it from obtaining a valid IP address. It indicates partial connectivity to your provider's network, but an inability to fully access the internet. This is distinct from a solid green light, which signifies a stable online connection. Common causes range from loose coaxial cables and hardware faults to network outages and incorrect modem settings. Newer modems like XB7, XB8, and Coda series use this blinking green indicator to communicate this specific connected but no internet state. Here's a systematic approach to fixing the blinking green light issue. First, power cycle your modem. Unplug it for 60 seconds, then plug it back in, and wait 5 to 10 minutes for it to reconnect. Next, thoroughly check all cable connections, ensuring the coaxial cable is securely attached and not damaged. Use the Xfinity or Rogers app to run diagnostics and check signal strength. If the problem persists, contact Xfinity or Rogers support directly via live chat or schedule a technician visit. According to Xfinity support data from 2025, 65% of blinking light issues are resolved by power cycling alone. Also, consider that a faulty splitter is often the root cause and can be easily replaced.